Hi, Ben. This is Emma from XL Exteriors. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. We're working on your roof quote, and I was looking to confirm a few details. I should only need about 2 to 3 minutes. Is that okay?
Yeah, I've got time.
Awesome. First up, which roofing material are you interested in? We offer metal, shingles, and tile. What's catching your eye?
Shingles?
Great choice. Asphalt shingles are a popular option. Now, is your home more than one story?
No, it's a ranch.
Got it. Is Street, Ankeny, Iowa 50021 the address you want the work performed?
Yeah, that's right.
Perfect. Just to confirm, are you listed on the deed or as another person or entity?
No, it's me.
Thanks for confirming, Ben. So we have calculated a quick roof estimate for the shingles you selected. The price range is from about $14,922 to $16,713. What we'd like to do now is schedule our technician to visit your property and get you an exact price. Would you like to get scheduled?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Great, let me bring up the calendar. What day and time work best for you?
What do you have available on Thursday?
On Thursday, we have openings at 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. Which one works for you?
Do you have 1 p.m.?
Unfortunately, 1 p.m. isn't available, but we do have 11:30 a.m. or 12 p.m. Would either of those work for you?
12 p.m.
Got it. So to confirm, we have you scheduled for Thursday at 12 p.m. Is that right?
Sounds good to me.
Now, can you confirm your email address for me? Is it beck@gmail.com?
Yep, that's right.
Thank you for contacting us. Have a great day.